Yo, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Devin Batiste here. Of course, y'all already know. Enjoying this beautiful throwback Thursday out on the pond. It's beautiful, man. Got a nice little breeze blowing, of course, if you in the shade, but otherwise, it's hot like a mug out here. But anyway, on this throwback Thursday, I want to take it to the future. Alright, I just want to let everybody know about the Batiste Fitness app that just came out on yesterday, that is available on the iOS, which is Apple, iPhone, and Android. You know, Samsung, Google Play Store. That's why you can get that. However, you have to sign in, you have to log in. Of course, you have to subscribe to Batiste Fitness online fitness training, which is for very affordable, very low monthly rate of $100 a month. All right. Now, just to explain a little bit about it, you can log in. Once you sign up, I send you all your login information, password, everything you need to get in. There's a consultation form that we fill out, that you fill out, get it back to me. I do your workouts, everything. We can plan it. Everything is done through the app. You can track your workouts through the app. You can measure your stats, like, you know, your waist, arms, legs, all your measurements. You track them every day. The app automatically tracks your personal best, lifts, and all exercises. All personal best, it tracks it. You can also do instant messaging through the app. Anytime you need to message me, you can message me directly through the app. And Skype. There's also my Skype is also connected to the app, where you can contact me. You know, we can do consultations through Skype, this and that. It's a whole bunch of features, man. I'm excited. I'm looking for about 100 people. 100, all right? I'm looking for 100 people. Online fitness training, all right? I'm looking for 100 online people and 100 people, because I train in person too, at gyms, parks, wherever. So I need 100 people for online and 100 people in person. I'm putting my team of trainers together. We're going to knock it out. We're going to help you all get fit, get in shape. I'm telling you, get with us right now. We have space, but the space will be running out, okay? We'll be running out of space. We're only taking 100. It's going to be 10 of us. It's going to be me and 9 other trainers, all right? Each of us are going to train 10 online and 10 in person. So get with us while y'all can. I'm telling y'all, space is gonna run out. We can help you lose weight. We customize. All workouts are customized. There's no cookie cutter stuff here. You also get help with your meal plans, nutrition plans, you know, stuff like that. We track everything. You upload your progress photos on the app. I'm telling you, the app is a one-stop shop for everything. Everything you need to do through the app. You track it. Each day you check in. Each day that you work out, you check in. Okay. You log your workouts, your sets. You put how much weight you did. The reps are already there for you to do. All right. You log in. Any notes that we need to give you, we'll give them to you through the app, or we'll contact you, message you. Everything, like I say, everything through the app. Another thing is, I know a lot of people don't know a lot about the exercises. But if you press on each exercise, there's a video. Then the guy on the video goes through the proper range of motion and how to perform each and every exercise. I'm telling y'all, it's worth it. $100 a month, that's very, very affordable. All right? I mean, because if you look at it, there's an average of, 30 days in each month, okay? If you train 5 days a week, 4 weeks, 20 days, break it down, that's about $5 a day for fitness training. And you have access to this app no matter where you are. If you're at your gym, if you're at your house, away from home, you have access to the app. Once you download it, you have access to myself and the whole Batiste Fitness team of trainers, okay? If y'all interested, go to BatisteFitness.com. That's BATISTE Fitness.com. I'm going to put it in the description below where y'all can go fill out the contact us form. We're going to contact you. Send you the link to get everything started, and we're going to roll from there. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited, ready to help y'all, ready to take over the world, man. Look, it's the future. This is the future, man. This is the future, and it starts with you. What you do today determine what happens in the future. Now, if you're ready to get healthy, lose that body fat, get strong, get in shape, maintain, whatever you need to do, we can help you with it, all right? So check it out. Thank you all once again, and I look forward to seeing y'all. Batiste Fitness, Devin Batiste.